Hello fellow traders, let me hope you guys are doing fine. Welcome to Top 256 FX. It's your guy Top, the number one mentor. Guys, I don't sell courses, I don't sell shit, I give everything for free. Guys, it's about that time. Let's talk about risk management. Guys, a lot of people don't know the meaning of risk management. Guys, the biggest struggle that all traders have right now is about risk management. The reason why people end up blowing their account is because of risk management. So let's talk about risk management. So I'm not here to encourage you to start using lot size 0.1 or 0. Whatever, all those things, you understand? And I'm not here to tell you that, hey, you need to risk 1% of your account. I'm not here to tell you all that kind of bullshit. I'm here to tell you that, guys, if you want to stay longer in the game of trading, if you want to stay longer in the game of the market, okay, you need to make sure that you predefine your risk and never exceed. Because at the end of the day, this game that we are playing of trading is a probability game. What does it mean? Anything can always happen. Any trade that you go into, you have to understand one thing, that this trade that I'm going to execute today, or this trade that I'm going to execute right now, there's a probability of the trade turning into a loss, or there is a probability of the trade turning into a win. So what does it mean? As a trader, you have to always make sure that you protect yourself from what the market can do to you. So what does it mean? A lot of traders, when they start trading, they start using big lot sizes because they want to get rich quick. So guys, let me tell you something. Getting rich quick in trading doesn't work. It only leads to anxiety and frustration. Okay? So I don't want you guys to be in the same trap of getting capital, losing it all, getting capital and losing it all. Don't do that. So if you want to stop blowing your accounts, if you want to stop getting frustrated when you get a loss, what you need to do, you need to start using good lot size, a good one that doesn't make you into stress. If you lose a trade, you don't need to get stressed. So whenever you lose a trade and you see yourself stressed, it's because you are using much money that you are not willing to lose. So guys, listen to me. It's not all about putting a stop loss in the trade. It's about accepting the loss, okay? If you go into a trade before you accept the loss, it means you only think you are expecting a win. And if you go with an expectation of having a win and the trade turns into a losing trade, there comes a problem. What you're going to do, you're going to start having rational decisions, and then you're going to end up blowing your account. So what am I talking about? So it is very, very important to go into any trade knowing exactly how much you're going to risk. Like, for example, how much you're going to give the market in case the market turns against you. Okay, so guys, don't go into the market without a plan. Don't go into the market just executing a trade without having a plan. And other members, they get into a trade, in a trading day without a trading plan. They execute one trade, they get it a win, they get another win, and then they let a winning day turn into a loser because of greediness. Okay, so instead of having the risk management, you have gotten into the trade, you have won the trade. Instead of stepping away, coming back the next day, you end up having rational decisions just because of excitement and happiness, and then you end up executing other trades, and then the market ends up taking away the money that you had made and even taking even more. So what does it mean? It is the high time whereby we need to start getting into the market with a structured plan. What is the importance of having a structured plan? It will help you to know that, hey, this market that I'm going into, there is no guidelines. It is you to guide yourself. The market is not going to tell you that to stop trading, okay? The market has endless opportunities. The market is always flowing. So nobody's going to come and tell you that, hey, you need to stop trading. It is you to tell yourself that, hey, it is the right time for me to stop trading. Let me stop trading. So if you don't stop trading, if you don't have a structured plan, I promise you, you're going to be in the circle of revenge trading, over trading, making money as you lose it again and again and again. So guys, risk management is very, very important, because whenever you manage your risk very well, you're going to be able to protect your capital. When you protect your capital, the market is going to be able to provide you with better opportunities in the future. Then you will be able to use those opportunities in the future, and then you will capitalize from them. So what am I talking about? Guys, it is very, very important to make sure that, hey, as I'm going into this trade, anything can happen, because that is trading, okay? If you know that anything can happen, then you tell yourself one thing: if anything can happen, let me risk this account of money. If the trade goes against me, I accept, I move away, I come back the next day. So the best traders have learned to walk away when they see that the condition doesn't suit them. So a lot of traders are having rules that they make, but they don't stick to them. That's why it becomes very hard to have consistent results. So guys, to have consistent results out of trading, you have to make sure that you have a structured plan. So risk management is very, very important, because whenever you manage your risk, you are protecting yourself from losing more than you're supposed to lose, and then you're also protecting yourself from what the market can do to you, because the market can do anything. Okay, so whenever you have a risk management in plan and you execute the trades that you're supposed to execute, maybe 1 or 2, for example, I don't recommend more than 2. I could recommend 1 a trade a day, because the more you execute these trades with proper risk management, you're going to stay longer in the game, and then you're going to keep on refining your strategy, and then that's how you're going to become a better trader. So guys, let's start managing our risk very, very careful, because if you don't manage your risk, I promise you, it's not how much you have, you're going to lose it all, and I don't think that you want to go through that. So let us manage our risk very, very careful. That's how we are going to become better traders. So guys, thanks again for coming to Top 256 FX. Consider subscribing if you haven't subscribed yet. Love you so much. See you soon.